Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice exponential equation which is 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 24. What is the value of x? Now let's prevent the solution from here. We have 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 24. To solve for x, let's introduce logarithm so that we have log 4 to the power of x. We have to introduce logarithm on both sides. This is equal to log 24. The next step is that log 4 to the power of x, this is in the form of log 8 power n, which we can express as n log a. Applying this power rule property of logarithm, then we have that log 4 to the power x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 24. So let's divide both sides by log 4. Here, log 4. So let's simplify. That is log 4 simplifies so that x is equal to log 24 divided by log 4. Now, the next step from here, we can express 24 as 8 times 3. Substituting this, we'll have that x is equal to log 8 times 3 divided by log 4. The next step is that log 8 times 3, this is in the form of log a times b, which we can express as log a plus log b. Applying this logarithm property, then we have that x is equal to log 8 divided by log 4, then plus log 3. Here we have log 3 divided by log 4. The next step is that we can express 8 as 2 to the power 3, and we can express 4 as 2 to the power 2. So therefore, we have that x is equal to log 2 to the power 3 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to the power 2, then plus log 3 divided by log 2 to the power 2. So, applying the power rule property, log 2 to the power 3 can be expressed as 3 log 2 divided by log 2 to the power 2. We can express this as 2 log 2, then plus log 3, we have here log 3, divided by log 2 to the power 2, which is actually 2 log 2. And this implies that log 2 and log 2 simplifies, so that now we have that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus, here we have half log 3 divided by log 2. So from here, log 3 over log 2, this is in the form of log a over log b, which we can express as log a to base b. So let's apply this property so that now we have that x is equal to 3 over 2 plus half log 3 to base 2. But since a half is common here, we can factor out half so that we have half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus, this is log 3 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x from here. So let's verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. Let's verify from here. Now, if you recall from here, we have that 4 to the power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Now, we can substitute the value of x from here. that is 4 to the power of half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Okay, so from here we can express 4 as 2 to power 2. So this implies that here we have 2 to power 2 times half into the parentheses. This is 3 plus log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. The next step from here is that we simplify here, so that now we have 2 to power 3 plus, this is log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. 2 to power 3 plus log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of a to power n plus m, which you can express as a to power n times a to power m. Applying this exponent property, here we have 2 to power 3 times 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Now, you find that 2 to power 3, this is the same thing as 8. So we have 8 times 2 to the power of log 3 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. Now, we have that 2 to power log 3 to base 2. This is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, and this is essentially supposed to give us a value of a. Now, applying this logarithm property, you find that 2 to power log 3 to base 2, this is supposed to give us a value of 3. Okay, so from here, let's substitute 3 so that we have 8 times 3. This is supposed to give us a value of 24. So 8 times 3, this is equal to 24, which is equal to 24. So this implies that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And this implies that the value of x, which is equal to half into the parentheses 3 plus log 3 to base 2, satisfies the equation. We can also express this value of x. This is the same thing as 2.2925. We can also express this as 2.2925. So kindly follow the steps. Like this video and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.